This is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we're going to be going over the 2540MK Annual Preventative Maintenance Kit. This is for two 20-volt units. This kit comes with a door gasket. The door gasket is an annual part. However, if you're running consecutive cycles or back-to-back, you might need to change this more often. This kit comes with a single Chamber Bright tablet. Chamber Bright is really good for helping cleaning out the chamber, reservoir, and valves. This should be used on a weekly basis. The safety release valve is located inside the reservoir along with the air jet valve. Both these do need to be changed yearly for optimum performance. This kit also comes with a preventative maintenance guide, which helps explain how to install these parts. If you have any issues, please give us a call back, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support, and please like and follow. Thank you.